Okay, we're back again. Hey, Rep. Guwapo ni Rep.
Oh.
Ikaw introduce.
Okay, ito po ngayon po ang ating final game po. Third and final game. For today po tayo ngayon dyan between Mechanicals playing in white and black combination against blue team po yan. Yan po ang Airport United. Before that, tayo po yan. Kami po ang Aviation Friendly League, Dabas sa Flying League. Would like to thank the following sponsors, Thread and Needles and Team LBC Halim Padala. And of course, ako, representation, SBB Pilipinas and PSB Basketball League. Third game for tonight now is third and final game will be played now between Airport United playing in blue and Mechanicals played in white. Maraming salamat po and back to you, Mr. Canton.
Na-surprise ang lahat. Dumating po ang import ng Airport United from Japan.
And Vlad. Okay, pa na. Okay. Ayun na, 2 points. Okay, 2 points kagad, 2 points. 2 points kagad ang Team Mechanicals. If you notice, Mechanicals po, they'll show na full force ngayon. Kompleto sila ngayon, kompleto sirkados talaga sila. And Taki, nandun si number 20, babagal. Babagal again, 2 points, binutang mo yun. Pambihira yung ginawa siya kanina. Oy! Tingnan rin, percentage. Kami pa may ginawa kayo ni Odal, pagbahira, binuot yung
Yan. Buhat niya yung mundo.
Binuot yung yung isang bantay niya.
Warning for technical. Mr.
Wala.
Wala.
Antayin natin ano.
Okay lang, import yan eh. Taka.
Japan talaga?
Oo.
Hindi nga.
Made in Japan yan.
Made in Japan yan?
Lumaki lang sa Pinas yan.
Anong lingwahe niya?
Nihongo.
Nihongo?
2 points para kay number 20. Lopez, nagdadala ng bola. Lopez. Pinasa kay Babagay, step back. What a kick out to number 34.
No good.
Rebound by the Mighty Mouse. Taka Pintal. Pinasa.
Muli na Ubaob.
2 points. What a setup by the Mighty Mouse, Mr. Taka.
Okay. Sir. Siya malapit eh.
2 points.
Sa konti, pre. Nasa konti.
Babagay, nagdadala ng bola. Babagay, tumitingin sa likod. The Mighty Mouse, Taka Pintal, import. Babagay, kicks out to Lopez for 3. Bang! Babaril pa dito yan. Babaril pa yan. The score now is 7-6 favor of Airport United.
Vlad. Naku. 3 seconds. Kung ano yung nakasulat naman eh.
Nakatingin ako dito.
Kahit yan na itansyong mo na, ipofocus mo. Pero yung kahit sa labas ka magtutumin, tapos iyon mo yung sa nakafocus. Blue ball. Okay, pinotis siya ito. Iba pong boss po niya. Siya po si Mr. Canton ng CAS. Siya muna po humahalin ko para sa akin. Thank you po. Okay, kid. Uy!
Quarter lang ha. Wait lang.
Oh, di sinasadya yun ha.
Grabe, 9:30 na.
Tara, Ipolito. Uy! Drive, traveling ko. Dami mga kumain ng bola nga.
Nice defense by Mr. Taka Pintal.
Nice people, Taka. Ako nagtaka, kay Taka.
Taka dribbling the ball, makes a move. Babagay with the hesitation. Sinausaw.
Pasok. Kuha ng bola. Pasa.
Puputan natin ha. Shout out kay Mr. Aricilla. Hindi na naman naglaro. Hindi pa nabe-break in ng Kobe 6.
Ayun! Dukot sa ilalim wala. Ayun!
Dito pala yung shout out. Nakikita.
Black ata, pre. Yung mga ko. Tutok mo kila babagay.
Taka.
Tax. Isang palit eh.
Rebound mababagay. Power rebound. Passes to Taka. The Mighty Mouse makes the move. Jump shot. Kumalog lang ang ring. Hustle by Molina. Foul call.
Jersey number 18, Molina.
Muna ako dito kay Martin.
Second team foul. First personal
Kaya nga.
foul. Grinding. Wala. Second unit, prepare ha. Labas ng 1 point. You are 49.
Ready na po ang second five.
Second unit, prepare. God. Pass to Rivaldo. Back to Ricky.
Ricky. Boss.
Nangyari?
Change unit.
Naiiwan yung ano.
O sige. O, change unit po tayo. Salamat po kay Mr. Canton. Thank you po, Mr. Canton. Yan po yung ating free-to boy, Canton. Buti walang nag-robas sa inyo dito ngayon, pre. Walang Jurex sa robas kayo sa inyo, no?
Ayun kasi yung ano nun eh, gumagawa na si babagay.
Si Babagay kasi nagaya, pasumuno yun, baba. Yung robas saka Jurex player of the game.
Patrick Canton pa, sir.
Kanina talaga, nabuhat kayo na, no? Nadala kayo, no? Pero maganda. Tsaka naipit kayo ni kanina, yung huling play nyo. Naipit ka, pero panalo na yun kung tusin. Pero ayos naman. Uy! Malakas! Foul called. Foul called. Yung kanina sa intercompany.
Yung
Yung umaga.
Itong overcard mo, sir?
Pinili ito ni Scott pa recover. Para ano yung video on demand yun, para Viva Max yun pa.
Kung bibam.
Video on demand.
Video on demand.
Oh.
Kasi friend nung pinapanood yun na sabi ko, parang may kaboses na rin ni Sir Martin sa gilid.
Oh. Gutierrez again, no good. Ito na, Gutierrez muli, 2 points. Okay, tablados tayo, 11 all. 11 all. Gutierrez. Nice one. Ito na, Lopez. Babagay. Molina! Sayang sana. Nice one, Molina.
Nice pass, Jules.
Okay, Julius, sabi din rin, kung gawin na robust player of the game daw ngayon. Joke lang. Okay, Molina, first shot. It's out. Second throw, jump is ready po tayo. 4:38 remaining. Last game for the day na to. Bukas muli. May bukas pa. Bukas maganda. Oryx versus Pure Projects. Malalaman sino number 1. Tabla sila eh. Aris sila. Shoutout po kay Canton. Sabi niya. Shoutout daw sa'yo. Muñoz, hindi nasa ang bola ni Muñoz. Ano ba yan? Sayang. Hindi nasa ni Muñoz ang bola. Okay, balik muli po tayo. 4:14 remaining. Okay, barangay rules po ulit tayo. Kay Subab, nakasit po ito ngayon. Maganda rin po yan. And Mr. Almerio, no good. 20 pops up. May foul called. Okay. Airport United, dahan-dahan na po sa foul. Medyo depleted po ang lineup nyo. Okay, Airport United, ang tawag po ng timeout. The score is 12-11. 3:57 remaining. Okay, ito may nag-shoutout to eh. Basahin natin. Sino nag-shoutout po? Si Jab, si Ilaw. Shoutout po sa katabi niyo, Boss Martin, si Tito Ralph. Sino yun? Si Ralph siya? Si Ralph. Castor. Wala si Bautista pala. Tsaka si ano?
Nagkalipat siya ni Serrano ngayon. Nasa...
Hindi, kinakailangan si Serrano kahit sa laro lang.
Nakaset siya.
Except niyo, kundi baka mahirapan ka lang. Hindi siya makalaro. Sa laglaga portion. Okay, Limotan, number 20, shooting for 2.
Uy, bawal yan.
No good. Second throw, 3:57 remaining. Limotan to tie the ball game. Number 20. Pops up. It's in. Okay, tablado. 12. And Mr. Lopez.
14 shot clock. Pass to
Molina.
Back to Lopez.
Lopez again.
Now,
Illegal pick, number 1. San Juan called for the foul.
Laban na kami na doon, Sir Martin.
Ha?
Laban na namin. Yung puti.
Mechanicos, deep. Teka.
Hindi pa.
Ipadip.
Wala itong laro. Tatlo pa.
Shoutout po kay Canton, Boss Martin. Okay, shoutout sa Canton, sabi ni Ilaw. Ying, no good. Rebound by Limotan. And Desamento. Limotan again for 3. Tapos, out of bounds. Balik muli po tayo sa blue ang bola. Blue ball, babagay. Binababa ang ball ni babagay. Sinundot sa likod. Nope. Same ball daw, sabi ng referee. 11 seconds remaining, 11 seconds to shoot. Matatapos na po ang first quarter. Bukas po maglalaban po bukas. First game po natin is UR Projects versus dalawang wala pang bola. Ito na muli po tayo, Desimerto. Ayun, ang ganda ng pasa. Nice one. Castro, bumalik na pala si Mr. Castro. 2 points. 12-14 po na tayo ngayon. Eto na, oy! Okay, mukha yatang binitbit yung bola po ng Airport United. 12-14 po, change favor na po tayo ngayon. Eto na muli po tayo. Desamento. Ito. Remember to.
same ball. Shot clock natin, 13 seconds. Shot clock and high foul. Jersey number 28.
Okay, number 10 called for a foul. A minute and 43 remaining.
Second personal foul.
Muñoz, pangalan po ni Mr. Muñoz.
Airport.
San Juan, binabantayan. Okay, ito na.
Gutierrez.
Oy, traveling ka doon, boy. Traveling violation kung Gutierrez. Balik muli po tayo. Okay. Si Molina, number 18, pinasa kay Lopez. Binababa ang bola. Babagay, tinanggap ang bola. Babagay. Lopez, binababa ang bola. Babagay again for 3. 3-second violation naman. Binababa ang bola. Desimerto. Ying. Number 10, Limotan. Side step move. Foul. Again, Muñoz. Francis Muñoz, third personal foul. Kung may Limotan, number 20, shooting for 2. Limotan, first shot. Wala. Second try, jumpers ready. If you notice po, napakadami ngayon ng Mechanicos, ha? Milimutan, second shot, pasok. Okay, lamang na po ng tatlo ang Mechanicos. Babagay, Lopez for 3. Bang! Tabla. 43 seconds remaining. 19 seconds. Number 20, no good. One more time, Gutierrez again. Naipit, palpal sa ilalim. Babagay. Lopez again, thinking 3. Lumuli na, 2 points. Okay, lamang muli po. Lamang na naman ang Blue Boys. Airport United, lamang muli po. Airport United, Blue Boys. And Castro. 2 points. Castro. Babagay. Okay, after first quarter, lamang po ng wala. 17 all. Tablados po tayo. Airport United and Mechanicos. Airport United po playing in blue. And Mechanicos po playing in white. Yan. 10 minutes again po muli tayo. Second quarter action. 17 all po tayo. Back to the ball game. This is your aviation friendly. Doubles of Flying League. We'd like to thank the following sponsors. Nandiyan po ang Team LBC Halim Padala, Thread and Needles. Saka po natin po dyan po ang SPB Ako Referee Association. Yan pre. And of course PSB Basketball League. You're watching right now. Last game for today between Airport United in blue versus white po ay Mechanicos. And Lopez for the inbound. Lopez, Taka. Lopez. Pops up. Nope. Jeremy. Pinapapambol ni Jeremy. Ayos babagay. Nice one by Lopez. Nako. Baklaan. Ayun. 2 points. That's number 11. Kalma. 2 points. Taka against Baklaan. Lopez. Lamang muli po ang Mechanicos ang dalawa. Obaob. Driving. Obaob. Palpal. Baklaan against Taka. Kalma. Nando si Babagay. Obaob. Tapos foul. Foul on jersey number 2. Obaob shooting for 2. Obaob shooting for 2 po tayo. Pops up. It's in. Basket move. Mechanicos po, Mechanicos, tatlo na po kalabangan. Obaob. Same ball.
Reduce natin yung shot clock to 11 seconds to shoot. Lopez. Wala. Rebound. Harvest.
Baklan.
Hermon.
Talisig! Uy! Sino yun? Si po, Okay, balik tayo ngayon. Okay, balik tayo. Baob. Babagay. Pops up. 2 points. 18, 20, 21. Lamang po ng dalawa. 7:40 remaining. Lost the ball. Taka. Nice hustle play. Obaob. Daan doon si Jeremy. Foul on Obaob. Samson Gabis watching. Thank you po, sir. Shoutout daw po din po kay Canton. Wala na po si Canton, sir. Sabi ni Sir Ila. AU Airport United call for the timeout. Okay. Maganda ang ating setup ngayon. Delikado nga lang. Ayan, pwede na. Okay, habang nakatime po tayo, ito pong Aviation Friendly League, Dabas of Flying League. Would like to take the following sponsors, Team LBC, Harem Padala at Red Needles. Saan po natin po dyan po ang SPB Ako Referee Association for maintaining the game in a neat and orderly fashion. And of course, PSPQ Basketball League. And final game for today, Friday po tayo. Yan po ang Airport United versus Mecanicos. Okay, balik tayo. Francis. Kalma. Jeremy, nandyan. Jeremy. Nice, may tagging pa. Traveling code on Jarabe. Jarabe traveling violation. Number 14. 24 rather. Lopez, shake and pick. Lopez! Binuhat, wala. And rebound battle, Taka. Molina, wala pa rin. Molina mali. Oy! Ouch. Aray, machakit.
Pangalawang sir.
Babagay, labas mo na raw. Babagay, 2 points Babagay. Okay, lamang muli po ang Airport United ng isa, 22-21. Kalma. Nice one. Kay Babagay. Obaob, no good. Obaob muli. Isa pa daw, Obaob. Taka. Ano muna tayo? Sway lang. Pops up. No good. Binababang bola. Nandun si Taka. Molina. 2 points Molina. Basket made. Molina for the bonus free throw. Ouch.
Molina to line. Bonus free throw.
Molina, first shot. It's in. Okay, 3-point play made. Lamang muli po ng 4 ang Airport United over Mecanicos. 5:35 remaining second quarter action. Kalma. Baklaan. Oy! Double dribble, sabi ng referee. Double dribble. Blue ball. Sabi, blue ball na rin talaga. Babagay, binabantayan po ni kanino, ni Baklaan. Nakalusot. Same ball. Binabantayan ni Jeremy ngayon, si Molina. Magandang matchup po dito ngayon, kahit kukonti, Obaob, against Jeremy ngayon, Obaob. Foul sa baba. 4:47 remaining. 25-21.
That's your first personal, 13 foul.
Obaob. Obaob. Teka lang.
Change tayo.
Change players po tayo. Nag-stack up. Okay, second lineup po tayo. Nandiyan po si Talisik. Si number 25, si number 20 na ibang uniforme. Nandiyan din po si number 5 at si number 9, si Ricky. Foul.
My foul. Foul committed. Jersey number 20.
San Juan number 1.
Warning for penalty. Mecanicos.
Wala. Second shot, San Juan, number 1.
Last free throw. San Juan.
It's in. Okay, laman po na 5 ngayon ng Airport United. Airport United has to do some pacing now. Baka maubusan sila ng legs in the last two. Sa the second half. Talisik pops up. No good. Rebound. Okay. Trapping. Lopez for 3. Bang! For Airport United, they must put many points as possible over Mecanicos para sakaling sila napagod na, mahirapan pong makabalik po ang Mecanicos. No good still. Again, number 20, Palpal. Munoz. Obaob. 2 points again. Obaob. Hop. Ano yun? Ay, ano? Sprain. Talisik. Medyo na yata. Natapakan yata. O, natapilok yata sa Talisik. Okay, si Ying papasok muna para kay Talisik. Okay, babagay. Balik tayo.
Airport United.
Ricky, binababa. Ying. Foul called.
Foul win by
Jersey number 1, San Juan again.
That's your second personal.
Pangalawa pa rin San Juan yan. Ying number 0 shooting for 2. At 3:09 seconds remaining, second quarter action. Pops up. It's out. Second throw jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw jumpers ready po tayo for both teams. No good. Lopez again. Lopez binabang bola. Lopez pinapatay ni Ying. Lopez for 3. No good. Taka. Ayaw. Hindi nakuha. Amigo naman. Binabang yung bola ngayon. Ricky for 3. Wala. Nado si 0. Ying. Malakas. Babagay. Nakalusot. Taka. Malakas ang pasa. Tumalisik si Taka. Ricky. Ying. Okay, easy 2. Okay na yun, sige na. Okay, game. Sabi rito. Teka lang, mayroon rito. Babagay. Lopez. Foul goal. McNamara Lime. Sir, anong score, sir? Sir, ang score po is 31-23. Lamang po ng 8. Yes, naman po ng 8 ang Airport United. Lopez shooting for 2. It's in. 2:21 remaining. Second quarter action drawing to a close. Both Lopez binuhat ang bantay. 2:14 remaining. 32-29. Mag-alasist na. Ying against Taka. Number 20, Dagis Babagay. Palpal. Foul. Offensive foul nga. Offensive foul by number 25. Okay, San Juan number 1. Keubaob. Taka. Traveling violation kay Taka. Okay, McNamara line. Sexalit siya. Shoutout kay Kandol ng Airport United. Kandol, nasan ka? Wala ka rito. Ying for 3. No good. Rebound, number 20. Last touch ng blue. Sabi ni referee, last touch doon ng blue.
Save on.
Ying. Ricky. Nice play. Technical foul.
Dispossession. Jersey number 24.
Hindi pwedeng pumalakpak. Labas mo na po. Hindi po pwede po pumalakpak po habang may tumitira. Bawal po kasi yun as per FIBA rules. Ricky number 9. Basket made. Okay. Bola pa ng Mechanicos. 1 minute remaining. Ricky for 3. Lob. Ayaw. Amigo. 2 points, Amigo. Sorry. 2 points, Amigo. Amigo, 2 points. Obaob. Taka. Foul.
Amigo. Second personal foul.
Ako'y nagtataka kay Taka.
39 seconds.
Nakapagtataka si Taka. Taka, first shot. It's out. Second throw, Taka, jumpers ready.
Last throw.
Pops up. Basket made. Nakapagtataka si Taka. Okay. Nice, Obaob. Out of bounds. Hindi na control yung bola.
30 seconds.
Hindi, uminit kasi. Di wala. Yun! Sayang! Same ball pa rin. Wala, pinatay tayo ng AC. Ricky.
20 seconds.
You're called for the foul. Foul. Ying shooting for 2 for sure. Teka. Okay. False alarm. False alarm yun. False alarm.
Baka inangat yung ano,
Baka may nagano.
nagpindot
May
ng
nagpindot ng fire alarm.
glass, anong paano?
Oh, yung ano, yung
Emergency glass.
emergency. Ba nagtetest din sila? Eskwelahan to eh. Alam mo na, pag eskwelahan kasi. Oh. Kinakalan, during ano yan, during weekday of day off. Ying, second throw, jumpers ready. Pag po tayo mag-alala pa, wala pong sunigan. Alam, may nagtetestan yata po. Okay. Blue ball. Early entry.
10 seconds.
Out of bounds. 5 seconds remaining. Foul.
Paul committed jersey number 5, penalty.
Ay, napindot nga. Napindot. Obaob. It's in. Second shot. Obaob. Basket made.
2 seconds.
Sayang. Okay, that's it. First quarter ended. Antay po tayo po. Halftime po tayo ngayon.
Pito lang sila. Pero ang pito muna sila dito ha. Pito tayo sa kapila. Meron kayong pito 17 players sa sila. Last 3. Last 17. Lalagay ko na yung ako ha.
na guard, 10 seconds. So, tayo, hindi naman tayo 10 seconds. Civil defense.
Okay, ayan na. Buti na lang, pre, buti na reset kagad. Ano ko, mayroong automatic dial up yan sa civil defense eh. Di ba? Oh, buti kagad.
Basta nag-flash na lang, wala na yung alarm. Wala
Wala na. Na-acknowledge na yun.
Acknowledge.
Tao pala. Reset nila. Sa gawang investigaran nila kung ano nangyari.
Kung saan ang galing.
Kaya nakita na kung anong suna. May mga...
Mababa kasi. Tsaka wala yung brake glass. Yung
Wala,
pull,
oo,
pull
tama.
lang. Yung pull the switch lang.
Oo.
Pull down lang. Ano ba makabago ngayon na brake glass?
Depende kasi dito kasi commercial. Dito kasi hindi masyadong may dito sa mga ganyan bagay. Kadalasan pang school. Ginawa nila ng pag...
Case, no?
Oo, ano. Kasi may mga bata eh.
Balik ko.
Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Back to the ball game. Teka lang ha.
Back to the ball game. Mechanical Small.
Okay, kalma for the inbound. Okay. The score is 37-31. Nagbayad din po yung ng effort niya ito po ng penalty rin po. Dahil kulang sila kasi. Kaya umabot mo ng 6 million po kalabangan ng Airport United over Mechanicals.
Pass to Kalma. Kalma.
No good. Rebound. Molina. Foul.
Jersey number 20. Gutierrez. Second personal foul, Gutierrez. Foul.
Baklaan.
Baklaan, pass to Gutierrez. Agasa.
Foul.
Foul committed. Jersey number 8. Babagay. That's your first personal foul.
Pops up. It's in. Okay, good. Second shot. No good. Lopez. 2-point Lopez.
Basket for Lopez.
Lopez 2 points. 9:02 remaining. 39-32. Baklaan. Uy! Ano yun? Foul. Holding foul. Babagay call for a foul.
That's your second personal foul.
Babagay, Pangulo pa lang yan. Ibabagay. 8:50 remaining. Lopez, binabantayan si Kalma. Oy! Offensive foul called. Ouch. Number 6 called for offensive foul. Nice hustle play. Okay, Sumunyos, pinasok muna. May pinagpahinga muna si Babagay. Obaob, si Taka, pinasok muna. Obaob na wala ang bola kay Obaob.
Grabe yung looming defense niya.
No good. Rebound battle. Baklaan.
Speed move. Ang ganda.
Ka 3-second violation nga lang. Again. Baklaan. Hustle play. Hustle play ni Baklaan. Kumakabit ngayon. Molina kalusot, Molina. No good. Rebound, San Juan. Naipit. 3-second violation kay San Juan. Okay, Babagay. Pinasok ng muli. Pinagpahinga muna si Babagay ng Bagya. Daan-daan bigla. Okay, 7:33 remaining. Hipolito, binababa ang bola. Nandun si Babagay. Babagay still completed. Babagay, Obaob. 2 points Obaob. And a timeout called na by Mecanicos. This is your aviation friendly Doubles of Flying League. Would like to thank the following sponsors: Team LBC Halim Padala, and of course Thread the Needles. And this game is part of by the following. Ito po ay binibigyan po ng ng SPB Pilipinas Ako Referee Association. At the same time PSBQ Basketball League. And of course nandito rin po ang teams po naglalaban po ngayon. Final game for today po between Playing White, yan po ang Team Mecanicos, and Playing Blue po yan po ang Airport United. Tuloy po tayo sa ating laro po ngayon at 7:13 remaining, third quarter action. Lamang pa rin po na siyam ang Airport United. Number 20, no good. 2 points, nice one by Castro. Babagay nakalusot, Babagay. 2 points, Babagay. Uy, putik na. 6:46 remaining.
11-point lead for Airport United.
Hipolito. Pops up. Nope. Tap kay Babagay. Babagay muli. Obaob. Naku, malakas ang bounce. Ayun na, 3-on-2. Castro. No good. Molina, no. Number 20. Pass muli. Malakas. Kalma. Pops up. No good. Castro. Traveling violation. Traveling violation called. Substitution made now. Kalma, nilabas muna, pinagpahinga muna ng Mecanicos. San Juan. Lopez. Uy! Out of bounds. Baob na naman. 2 points. So Baob. Baob 2 points again. Again, lamang po na labing-isa ang Airport United over Mecanicos. Out of bounds. Substitution made po tayo yun. And Dimotan, pops up. Wala. Uy, sayang, muntik na. Nice try. San Juan again called for a foul. Pang-apat din San Juan yan. Pilipid yung foul. And Amigo shooting for 2. Wala.
Fourth personal foul. Sorry.
Second shot, pops up. Basket made. Okay, San Juan now has to sit this one out para pagpatakbo ng fourth quarter. Babae, Taka. Nope.
Jersey number 26.
Taka Genko.
Personal foul.
Third personal pa ni Taka yan.
Warning for penalty.
Ying shooting for 2. First shot ni Ying. Pops up. It's in. Second shot ni Ying. Ying, second throw ni Ying.
Last throw.
Nope. Oh, Ying! Out of bounds. Nadulas. Sabi ni Canton, shout out po kay Frenchie, shit and play of the game. Taka Pintal, a.k.a. the Mighty Mouse.
There's the foul. Foul minute, jersey number 20.
Jersey number.
Second foul. Third. Team foul.
Okay, 13 foul pa lang po ng Mechanicals. Baob. Nice one by Castro. Dimotan. Binato na.
Amigos now.
Amigo, 2 points.
Time out.
Time out muna, Airport United. Mukhang nakakamoy po ng dugo ngayon ang Airport United. Kaya kinakailangan patayin mo ng dugo. Four minutes 6 remaining. Okay, ito na, trapping. Ginagawa trapping yun. Mas mamaming legs kasi po ang Mechanicals. Kaya can't afford nila makipag-trap ngayon.
Amigo again.
2 points, Amigo. Babagay. Baob. Taka. Foul. Castro called for a foul. Castro. Number 18, Molina. Taka. Foul. Matibay si Taka. Okay, Taka, 26, 2 shots given. Taka, pops up. Kapos. Taka, second throw. Jump is ready. It's in you. Taka. Offensive foul. Pushing foul. Pushing foul called. 3:12 remaining. Foul on Ying. Holding foul. Ying called for a foul. And Babagay shooting for 2. 45-40. Babagay must make free throws to keep them at bay. It's in. Ang sugot po ba ay basketball? Call a friend po. Call a friend muna. Call a friend. Babagay second shot. It's good. Okay. Ano ba yung tingnan ko sa ano? Yung wants to be mga millionaire. Tatlo eh.
Sakay. Pasto Gutierrez. Huli mo.
No good. Huli na. Ebaob. Nandun. Nandun si Baob. Nice break play ng Baob.
30 na, no?
Oo nga, magte-10-30 na. Matatapos tayo ng alisonsi nito.
Substitution.
Okay, sab muna po tayo. Kalma para kay Castro. Kalma kay Castro. Ito na, Ying.
Pasto Limutan.
Limutan, binago ang tira. Taka! I-shoot mo ngayon yan, Taka! Isa pa! Wala! Rebound! Foul! Taka!
Pa-apat mo na yan, sir.
Taka, 4 personal fouls. Warning for graduate.
Fourth personal foul. Both teams is penalty. Substitution.
Sab muna po ngayon, San Juan will not take the chances now. Nursing's own 4 personal fouls also. Okay, Gutierrez, number 20, shooting for 2.
Pasok ka bukas.
Wag, baka.
Hindi ako sumpo. Alam ko kung kasi naka ano to, pasong na. Buligta ka dyan.
May pasok pa bukas. Ida-download ko pa to. Maraming ida-download yun. Yung laro.
Yan.
Ano?
Ida-download ko.
Ida-download ko pa. Limutan, wala! Molina. Ubaob, nakalusot. Ubaob, nakalusot. Molina. Molina, nawala ang bola. Ubaob na naman! Nice. Nice hasapin, Ubaob. Isa, 10 minutes pa. Tansya ko mga alas 11, tapos tayo dito. Okay, Ying. For the inbound.
21 pa yan.
Ricky. Kalma. Ricky.
40 shot clock.
Foul!
Foul minute, jersey number 34, Bao. First personal foul, Bao.
Gutierrez, number 20. Out. Second throw, Gutierrez. Jumpers ready. 1:23 remaining. Basket, no good. Rebound by Babagay. Nagmamali si Babagay. Molina. Foul!
Foul minute, jersey number 25, Amigo.
47-40 pa rin po ang score po natin. Napako tayo.
Fourth personal foul, Amigo.
Amigo, nakakaapat na ka na.
Reported to referee, 25.
Molina, per shot, pasok.
Molina, basket.
Second shot, Molina. Jumpers ready. Pops up. Nope. Ricky. Wala. Rebound battle. Won by Calma. No, it's San Juan. Nako, mali. Kalma, kalma. Kalma. Limutan, limutan. No good. Wala pa rin. Gutierrez. 2 points. Hoy! Last touch, Ricky.
Take one tayo, 16 seconds.
Sir, naman pa rin po ang Airport United, sir. Foul. Wala, walang foul. Ricky, wala, hindi nabutan.
3 seconds remaining.
Wait. Injury.
Break.
Injury. Tinamaan yung buka. Okay, balik tayo. Okay, after 3 quarters naman pero mo Airport United 48-42 over Mechanicals. Final 10 minutes coming up para po sa Airport United and Mechanicals. This is your aviation friendly doubles of Flying League. We'd like to thank the following sponsors: Team LBC, Hanang Padala, and Thread the Needles. Saan po natin po dyan ang SPB Pilipinas Accord Association for Making the Game in Heat and Order Faction, and PSBQ Basketball League. And you're watching right now the final quarter between Airport United versus the Mechanicals. Okay, ito na po yung mga teams po natin. Balik po sila ngayon. Blue for the inbound. Okay, si San Juan. San Juan number 1. Okay. Baob, against Baclaan. Obaob. Ayun! And one play.
Basket is good.
Nice one by San Juan.
Jersey number 20.
Nice one by San Juan. Rebound battle won by the white shirts. Number 20. Kaldag. No good. Baob, no good. And ito na. Baclaan, pops up. No good also. Rebound by Lopez. Na. Babagay, mag-isa. Babagay, 2 points. And timeout called by Mechanicals. 52-42, lamang muli po na 10 ang Team Airport United. 9:04 remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter. Okay, back to the ball game muli po tayo, sir. O, sige po. Okay, number 20 po for the inbound. Mechanicos, number 20 kay Kalma, bibigay niya, okay? Kalma, binababa na ng bola. Kalma, number 11. Kalma, Ying. Nice one. Number 6, 2 points. That's Mejarito. Out of bounds. Blue ball. Baob. Nahuli ni Kali Ying. Two points. Yan na naman. Lamang huli po ng Anib. Again, still completed.
Timeout, Airport United.
Airport United tumapo ng timeout. Maraming salamat po. And of course, tomorrow po, ang laro po natin po bukas. Announce ko na po. First game po tomorrow. First game for tomorrow. Teka lang, ha? Oh. First game tomorrow po will be played between, ito, interesado to, ha? Oryx and QR Projects. Yan po, battle for first place na po yan. And Implights versus The Hub. Okay. Balik muli po tayo sa laro natin. Nag-foul po ang Airport United kay number 11, Kalma. Kalma shooting for 2. Kalma shooting first shot. It's out. Second throw, jumpers ready. 6 lang yan. Kalma, second throw. Pops up. It's out. Babagay, nakirebound. Molina. Wow! Ay, traveling violation called. Nice guard duty ni Ying. Makulit yung bata talaga. Number 0. Ayun!
Shot clock natin, 11 seconds to shoot.
Shot clock, 11 seconds remaining. Ying.
Wala.
Rebound battle by number 20. Kalma! 2 points. Out of bounds. Balik mo sa Mekaniko. Ang bola. Nice hustle play. Kalma for the inbound. Lamang na lang po ng 4 ang Airport United. I think the fatigue is settling in already. Ying. No good. Ying. Ayun! 2 points. Molina. Lopez sa kalusot. Lopez! 2 points, Lopez. Apat lang yan. Sabi lang ng Mechanicos. Mahaba pa yan. Kalma, pops up. 2 points, Kalma.
Back to 2-point lead.
Babagay naman. Babao, foul. Salamat sa kutsyon.
Paul Quinlan, jersey number 11.
Obaob shooting for 2. 6:08 remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter. First shot made. It's good.
Kalma, second personal foul.
Second throw, jumpers ready, Obaob. Second throw, jumpers ready, Obaob. Si Armas Bang nanonood din pala po. And it's good.
Substitution.
Tomorrow po, first game po natin, QR Projects versus Oryx. Second game po natin po is The Hub versus Inflights. Yan, magandang laban yan bukas. Ying. Nice interception.
Babakay.
Babagay, nagmamadali, babagay. Obaob, 2 points again.
Back to 6-point lead.
Anim na naman, mutik na. Nahuli ka. Lopez, palpal. 5:37 remaining. Wag po kayo mag-alala, mahaba pa to. It's an eternity of basketball still. 5 minutes na, 4 lang kalamangan. 6 lang rather, sorry. Lopez, first shot. Pasok. Second throw, Lopez. Jumpers ready. Init na. Papuwisan ako. Lopez, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Out. Pito. Amigo.
Pass to Gutierrez.
Nope.
Hotel.
Taka, Shader. Obaob. Nice one by number 20.
Ying. 3 against 3. Mechanical.
Ying.
Losing the letter.
Hindi nakatuloy muli na yung leather.
Substitution. Tig-iisang timeout na naiwan. Bench. Upo tayo sa bench natin. Dapat coach na po nakatayo. Para iwas sa kita.
2 points. Taka. Nanakawan si Taka. Good ball. Ying.
Amigo. Wala.
2 points, number 20.
Timeout. Airport United.
Okay, Airport United call now its final timeout at 4:48 remaining. 59-56 naman po ng tatlo ang Airport United. Bukas, sandalo po natin bukas. First game po is Oryx versus QR Projects. And second game po natin po is Inflights versus, nandiyan po ang Hub. The Hub. Okay, back to the ball game. Again, the trap by the white shirts.
3-point lead. Defense white ha. Defense white.
White po.
Defense white ha.
Foul!
Paul with the jersey number 11.
Number 11 called for the foul.
Kalma, that's your third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Mechanicals.
Taka. Traveling violation ng Taka.
Lamang ng tatlo.
Again and again, on the attack muli po ang the white shirts. Ricky, Calma, Amigo, number 20, 2 points, number 20. Wow, magic bunot. May magic bunot ang Mechanicos. Babagay, binapapambola, babagay. Molina. Lopez. Lopez! No good. Lopez again, 2 points, Lopez. Sabi ni Canton, taka go, taka go. Okay.
Pass to Ying. Pass to
Calma. Malakas. Rebound battle one by Babagay. Held ball situation.
Oh, bring na.
Ayos na, ayos na, ayos na.
Possession, Mechanicos.
Mechanicos, white ball. Mechanicos, white ball. Number 20, inbounding. Go.
Shot lang tayo ha, position yun.
Pops up. Nope. Rebound. Foul. Ayun. Taka, 5 personal fouls. Graduate. Okay, San Juan. Ito, medyo dito ngayon. San Juan. Ingat na lang po sa San Juan. Magpa-4 personal fouls na rin yan po para sa Airport United. Amigo, 2 points. Isa. Mabao. May magic bunot ang Mechanicos. Baklaan.
Warning, Vince Vitoro.
Ricky, number 9. 3 minutes remaining. Tapos. Babaob. Lopez na naman. 2 points, Lopez. Malago muli. Dala tatlo. Tatlo muli po tayo. Tatlo. Binato kay Amigo. Number 20. Wala. Rebound. Molina.
There's a foul.
Number 25 called for the foul.
Penalty na mo. 5 fouls.
Penalty situation po ang Mechanicos plus 5 personal foul na po si Amigo. Penalty free throws po tayo. It's out. Sa para insurance basket. 2:39 remaining. Fourth and final quarter. Okay. Molina, second throw. Jumpers ready. Pops up. It's out. And it's out. Blue ball. Babagay. Lopez. Offensive foul.
Jersey number 24. Fourth personal foul.
Jersey number 24, personal foul.
13 fouls.
13 foul pa lang po ng Airport United. Airport United has to survive the onslaught of Mechanicos just to clear the game. Calma. Floater shot, wala. Number 20. Hoop shot, wala pa rin. Nawala. And white ball. May magic bunot ang Mechanicos. Grabe. May magic bunot sila. Ricky, no good. And Babagay. Obaob. Lopez, nilabas muna, Lopez. Obaob for 3. Bang! 66-60. Lamang muli po ng 6 ang Airport United. And timeout called by Mechanicals. What a ball game we have.
Both teams, wala na po timeout ha. Wala na timeout. Back to the ball game. Airport United.
Okay, back to ball game ulit po tayo. 1:40 remaining.
Pwede ibigay na pa.
Okay na. Ricky, number 9. Shoot. Number 9. A minute and 40 remaining.
1 minute 40 seconds.
Okay, 1:47. Ricky. Lopez. Obaob, 2 points. Obaob, 2 points. Number 20. Big kick out kay Ricky. Pops up. Wala. Ricky. Ako. Bakla ang called for the foul. Babagay. Shooting for 2. Penalty po sila.
Penalty po yan.
Oh, Babagay. Ano? Ano? Third canton? Jurex? Robust? Good boy. Okay, good boy daw. Okay, sabi ni Kanto naman, taka, go. O tarantaka daw, sabi. Pero go, taka, go daw. Okay. Babagay, shooting for 2. First shot, Babagay. It's pasok. Patok. Okay, pasok po kay Babagay. Second throw, jumpers ready. 1 minute 13 remaining. Babagay, second throw. 1 minute 13 remaining. Pops up. Pasok pareho. Baklaan, 70-60. Kalma for 3. Nope. Rebound, Lopez.
Gutierrez. Pangapat.
Mag-ate ba? Mag-ina. Kalma. Okay. Sorry, Molina, number 18, shooting for 2. 1 minute 3 remaining. 70-60. Pasok. Second throw, jumpers ready. Molina, second throw, number 18. Jumpers ready po tayo. A minute and 3 remaining. Pasok. Okay, it's good. Basket made. Skat kata.
That's a foul.
Nice cut.
Wala sa posisyon.
Nice one.
Jersey number 8, Babagay.
Jersey number 8, Babagay. Okay, number 20 naman, shooting for 2 per shot. It's out. That's ang galing. Last shot by number 20. It's in. Ayos ah. Uy! Lopez, nakalusot. Lopez, agawan. Bakla nandun. Lopez, hustle play. Good ball. Pops up. Wala. Wala na. I-safety pass na to. Ricky for 3. It's out. Okay, 2 points.
Stop time, di ba?
26 seconds remaining.
28 seconds remaining.
Okay, ito naman. Ricky. Pops up. Nope. Okay, 2 points. Gutierrez. Foul. 7-65. A 7-point lead advantage still enjoyed by Airport United. And looking out to pick na win number 5. This night. Obaob, number 34. Pops up. Wala. Second shot, Obaob. Jumpers ready. Pinupuli kita mga tao talaga yung dito. Okay. Obaob, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pasok. 11 seconds remaining. Okay, safety basket na lang tayo. Safety basket. Kapos. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it. That concludes on the game between Airport United and okay, you watch now Airport United versus Mechanicos. Maraming salamat po. Winner, Airport United. Final score, 73-65. Thank you very much.